Hey guys, today I'm going to be winterizing my Hideout 22 RBWE, and I'm just going to sort of walk you through it a bit. Got it in the shop here so it's all nice and warm. It was supposed to hit the minuses the last few days, so I figured I would get it in here and get it winterized, so I'll get to it. So over here at the hot water heater, we have to take out that nut right there and empty the hot water tank, and for me that's an 1 1/16 socket, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that out, and a bunch of water is gonna puke out because it's gonna dump your tank, so you wanna make sure you have all electrical and stuff away from there. So once you have that all drained out, and then you can go ahead and, I just set this right in here every year, just because you want to leave that hole open so that if any more wants to drain, sort of while you caddy it back or whatever, it can drain out, and then if it happens to freeze, then it will expand out the hole instead of expanding and cracking your tank. So we're gonna put this back on, and then we'll move on to the next step. And yeah, if you have a bucket, it helps. It doesn't get everything, but it sure helps catch a bit of it. So then you want to come back inside your trailer and locate your two main shutoffs, or sorry, single shutoff for your hot water tank there, which you can see. It'll be on the other side of the wall as the rod we just took out of the hot water tank. So you just want to give that a turn to there. That cuts off any water going to your hot water tank. And then you're going to want to come down just below, in my case, my main kitchen sink here. And I've made this hose here with the quick connect to my water pump. So then this is going to be hard to show you guys, but I'm just going to connect this where you can see that little blue tab you pull on, which will be your pump intake, and then put this end of this into the bottle of antifreeze, and then I will show you the rest. So see, I disconnected that hose and connected my special hose with the fitting to the bottle here and put it in as far as I can. And now we're basically just gonna go run anything that has water to it and wait until it comes out as the clear pink color, that, or whatever color antifreeze you have, and that will mean that your line is completely full. So that was my quick video on winterizing a hideout. I'm sure a lot of them are very similar, so you could probably just use this as hideout in general, plus or minus some sinks and showers and whatever else. But yeah, thank you for watching.